Hi students, when frequently parcel data comes from geographic information system and GIS, which we called source or from existing plats, the quality of this data can vary, making a direct conversion to several 3D parcels difficult. So an excellent tool for ensuring that the conversion of these lines, arcs and polylines goes smoothly is the Overkill command in AutoCAD. So in this exercise we will learn how to clean up drawing using Overkill command in AutoCAD. So it will help us to delete duplicate lines in our given data. Overkill is an AutoCAD command that will clean up a drawing based on the options and tolerance that we chose. We can find the Overkill command on Home tab, Modify, Panel Flyout. Here you can see delete duplicate object. When you will select this, it will ask you to select object. When you will select your object, it will tell you that how much duplicate object you have in this drawing. So just press enter. After selecting the object, you want the Overkill command to analyze, and you are prompted to choose option that determine how extensive the cleanup will be. The default setting shown here. The tolerance setting determines how close two lines can be before they are considered to be duplicates. The higher this value, the more overlaps and duplicates the command will find. The checkboxes indicate here properties Overkill will disregard when performing its edits. With all the checkboxes clear, the object are not considered duplicates unless all of the listed properties match. So before you run the Overkill command, a selected batch of line selected to become a parcel shows many extraneous vertices. So you can select any check mark against any criteria, and then when you will press OK, it will says 14 overlapping object or segment has been deleted. So now your lines are single. So this is how you can clean up your drawing with just using this simple and little command in AutoCAD or AutoCAD Civil 3D.